Okay, the Amazon vacuum. It does have great suction. It's a little too good though. It is short. I'm short, but it is very short. I'm only 5'4", thought it would not be a problem. The reason it is a problem is because even on a shag rug that's not super shaggy, this is a brand new rug, it won't go forward when I turn it on. You have to go down like this to get it to go. I'll show you. Go down. So yeah, that's a problem. I have to get another vacuum now. Hardwood, it's fine. A low pile wool rug is fine. But if you have an area rug that's gonna, like a rubber backed, or it's not a huge rug, it will suck right up into the machine and smell burning and everything. So this is not going to work out for me.